Ever dreamt of a digital workspace that bends to your will? A place where you can write, plan, organize, and collaborate, all under one beautifully designed roof? If you've ever used Notion, you know exactly what I'm talking about. This all-in-one powerhouse has taken the productivity world by storm. Its free tier offers a staggering amount of functionality, from building custom wikis to managing complex workflows. But what if you're deeply invested in the Google ecosystem? What if the idea of switching platforms and migrating your data gives you hives? Fear not, my fellow organization enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the question: does Google have a secret weapon, a Notion competitor lurking in the shadows, waiting to be unleashed? Buckle up, because we're about to explore a few contenders vying for the productivity throne. First up, the rising star Google Workspace Individual. This subscription service bundles together familiar favorites like Docs, Sheets, and Slides with some hidden gems. We're talking about Google Keep for quick notes, Forms for surveys, and Sites for creating simple web pages. It even throws in a measly 15 gigabytes of drive storage. Not quite Notion's unlimited ocean, but a decent starting point. So, can Workspace Individual truly compete with Notion? The answer, like most things in life, is a resounding "it depends." If your needs are primarily note-taking, document creation, and basic project management, Workspace Individual might be a solid option. It integrates seamlessly with other Google products, making collaboration a breeze for those already entrenched in the ecosystem. Plus, the learning curve is practically non-existent. However, where Workspace Individual stumbles is its lack of flexibility. Notion shines in its ability to bend and morph into whatever you need. Want to build a habit tracker with embedded Kanban boards and inspirational quotes? Notion's got your back. Need a personalized dashboard with live data feeds from your favorite apps? Notion can handle it. Workspace Individual, on the other hand, feels more like a collection of well-oiled tools, not a blank canvas waiting for your creative spark. Next on the contender list, we have a dark horse: Google Tables, a product currently under development by Google's Area 120 incubator. This sleek spreadsheet-like app boasts some interesting features. Think customizable views, drag-and-drop functionality, and the ability to connect tables to each other, creating a relational database feel. Now, Google Tables is still very much in its early stages. While it shows promise for project management and data organization, it lacks the text editing capabilities and the visual appeal that make Notion so user-friendly. Plus, the collaboration features are yet to be fully fleshed out. However, here's the exciting part: Google Tables feels like a direct response to the rise of Notion. It's a clear attempt to capture a slice of that all-in-one productivity pie. So, while it's not quite ready to challenge Notion for the crown, it's definitely a product to keep an eye on. Finally, we can't ignore the elephant in the room: Google itself. Remember Google Wave, that ambitious project management and communication tool launched in 2009? It had some killer features, but ultimately met an untimely demise. Could Google be harboring another secret weapon, a more refined, Notion-slaying behemoth waiting for the perfect moment to be unleashed? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain: the competition in the productivity space is fierce, and Google, with its vast resources and user base, is well-positioned to make a serious play for the all-in-one productivity crown. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on organizing.